Coming on to the exam pattern, level 1 consists of 100 multiple choice questions that need to be completed within 4 hours. The question covers topics such as quantitative analysis, financial market and products, and risk management foundations, while level 2 consists of 80 multiple choice questions that need to be completed within 4 hours. The question covers more advanced topics such as market risk, credit risk, operational risk, and risk management and investment management. It's important to note that the US FRM course is not easy and the exams are known for being quite challenging. However, with dedication and hard work, it is definitely achievable. The passing rate for level 1 is around 40 to 50%, while the passing rate for level 2 is around 50 to 60%.